One of the best kept secrets in Asian food is Indonesian food. It's not as well known as its neighboring countries, but there's so much to explore in Indonesian food. And that's why I've decided to make you iconic dishes from the land of Indonesia. These are classic, but it will satisfy every Filipino's palate, actually anyone's palate. So in this class, I'm gonna have 3 dishes again, 3 different ways of cooking it, but all Indonesian. The first one is a beef rendang. This is a very hearty stew of beef and spices and just coconut. Very fragrant, very savory. The second one is Ayam Geprek. This one I've discovered in TikTok as a viral fried chicken dish from Indonesia. Indonesia makes a great fried chicken, but they just made it into the next level by smashing the fried chicken right after cooking and then tossing it with our homemade sambal. This homemade sambal I've been using for so many years. I've used it for nasi lemak. I've used it for our laksa as well. So it's very versatile. This is an opportunity for you to use this sambal and even bottle it as a business opportunity. So itong ayam na to, it is so good. It's marinated and it has a secret batter, fried chicken batter that comes out really crispy. That it allows the sambal to just hang on to the fried chicken. So it makes it very, very crunchy even after being tossed. And the last one, the last dish I'm doing is a rice cake, an Indonesian rice cake called onde onde. It's made of pandan. Very simple, but a lot of flavor. Good for merienda, good for dessert. It's pandan, palm sugar, and rolled in coconut meat. So these are classic Indonesian food. Very good. I hope you guys try this and enjoy it. And it's a good business opportunity as well. So all these 3 dishes going to Indonesia only here at the Bailiwick Academy.